This is my video on graphing rational equations. First I started and I found the vertical asymptote. So the first step of finding the vertical asymptote is to set the denominator equal to 0. As you can see, x minus 4 is the denominator, so I set it equal to 0. So of course next you would solve for the only variable there, which is x. I added 4 on both sides and I got 4 equals x. The next thing I found was the x-intercept. This is where the line crosses the x-axis. So I set y equal to 0 and I begin eliminating the denominator. So I multiplied by x minus 4 to eliminate the denominator, which gave me x minus 2 equals 0. So I'm solving for x. Here I added 2, and this gave me x equals 2. That is discontinuity. I am going to now set the denominator equal to 0 just as I did with my vertical asymptote. So as you can see, x minus 4 equals 0. Now I am solving for x. I added 4 on both sides and I got x equals 4. This is where there is nothing. Horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote includes a few rules. Matter of fact, 3 rules. 1. If the degrees are the same, divide by the coefficient. Meaning, if the exponent are the same, you can divide by the number in the front, which is known as the coefficient. The second one is, if the numerator is lower than the denominator, the horizontal asymptote will be equal to 0. And lastly, if the denominator is less than the numerator, then there is no horizontal asymptote. So now that we've reviewed the rules, now let's see which one applies. This rational equation has the same degrees, so we do the coefficients. 1 divided by 1 equals 0. So the horizontal asymptote would be 1. The holes. Luckily in this problem, there were no holes. Thank you so much for watching.